I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo sauce like Olive Garden. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, butter, and Parmesan cheese. This classic recipe is surprisingly simple to recreate at home, offering that rich, creamy texture you love. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your sauce is smooth and delicious, perfect for any meal. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this restaurant-quality dish. To begin, you'll need a few essential items. Start with 1 cup of rich, heavy cream, which forms the base of our sauce. Next, grab 1/2 cup of unsalted butter for that luxurious, smooth texture. Don't forget 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. This is crucial for flavor. Finally, mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic to infuse the sauce with its aromatic essence. Let's get cooking. First, melt your butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat, then gently sauté the minced garlic until fragrant, about 1 minute. Be careful not to brown it. Next, slowly whisk in the heavy cream, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Allow it to cook for a few minutes until it slightly thickens. Finally, remove the pan from the heat and stir in the Parmesan cheese until it's fully melted and smooth. For the best Alfredo sauce, always use freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Pre-shredded varieties can make it grainy. Remember, never boil the cream mixture, as this can cause it to separate. A tiny pinch of nutmeg can add a wonderful depth of flavor, enhancing the richness. Serve your sauce immediately by tossing it with hot, cooked pasta to ensure it coats beautifully and stays creamy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.